Okay, my name is Kesa Eric David. We are in Teso South. We are doing agroecology and organic farming. Right there, we are making artificial fish ponds as well as Azora dam. Here we intend to harvest Azora for our pigs and our animals, as well as our poultry, as well as we also put there our catfish, because they don't feed on Azora, so we intend to put them inside there so that we may save space. As you can see, it's a small space, but it's a double place where we are harvesting Azora as well as catfish. On this other side, we are doing organic agriculture. We have pyramids. We have the pyramids on this side, 20 of them, and animal storage. We have planted assorted of vegetables. We have the managu, by English name is called nightshade. We have the spider plant. We have the kales. We have the strawberries. We have the onions, and we have the cordia and the dania ones. We are also practicing IPM, integrated pest management. As you can see, in all our pyramids, we have the onions. They act as repellents that help to reduce and push away the insects and pests that may affect our field. As you can see, we are having also a shade. That shade reduces the heat from the gravity to ensure that our crops doesn't feel bad during the hot weather, and during the rain, the hailstone comes. Because we have a shade there, the hailstone may not affect us so much. So we are intending to do more, and we have just started. In other field, you can see we have the people on the ground. Those are our engineers making the ponds, artificial ponds, and we have just innovated it. Instead of digging or using just other material, we have now decided to use the iron sheets and some few timbers. Then we are going to use the polythene paper inside there to ensure that we harvest the water from rain, and also to plant there Azora. Further end, we are having there our livestock units, and our livestock are also feeding there. As you can see, there are about 30-something units of the livestock. In this farm, we are intending to do more and more and more by the due time. Thank you.